Hi everyone, that's great to be here with everyone. I'm just posting this small video on YouTube to make announce as an interpreter and translator to translate the texts or topics or stories in the English from Tajik to English, from English to Tajik, or from Russian to English, or from English to Russian, and these things, and also make an announcement to publish your articles from Tajik. First, translate them whatever you've written in the Tajik language. I may translate them into other language and then post them in the famous scientific conference, in the very important, especially in many countries, European countries, USA, Asia, so in other countries which I published my articles in United Kingdom and Denmark, and also some other teachers. I may help you with these things if you are interested. That's those brief information about these things, and if you have a if you wanna do these things, you may just contact me and through these numbers which is below there. Thank you so much.